Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 lines essay on Father's Day. Before starting, I would like to tell you that if you want the PDF of this essay, then you can get that from my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page ID and the link to my Facebook page is given in the description box. You can check out the description box, and if you want, you can follow me on my Facebook page ID also. So now let's get started. Father's Day is celebrated annually on the third Sunday of June in India. It is celebrated on different dates worldwide, but most countries observe this day on the third Sunday in June. Father's Day is a day of honoring fatherhood and paternal bonds. Father's Day celebration was initiated by Sonora Smart Dodd and it was first celebrated on third Sunday of June in 1910 in America. Fathers are the real inspiration who sacrifices their comfort to give their children a better life. Children and families show their love, respect and gratitude towards their father by giving cards and various kinds of gifts. My father taught me to be independent, brave, loyal and strong to face the world. Father's Day is a great opportunity to appreciate the love and effort of our fathers. The television and radio broadcast different Father's Day programs that day. We should appreciate our fathers' sacrifices and love not only on this day but every day throughout the year. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful for you, then please like and share my video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell so you would not miss the updates of any of my upcoming videos. Bye bye and take care, and now I will meet you in my next video. Happy learning!